Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having silver this time. So we are going to look at this silver for updates and what's next, possibly from silver. So let's look at the previous chart first. Okay, we were expecting silver to hold that floor. All right. So we're expecting silver to hold that 7170 areas and then continue its trending move for upside. So nicely held that, went higher, tag that top, then again went into a correction, then started to resume its trend. So yeah, so detail is over there that why silver is rising. So we were expecting to hold the floor, we held the floor, we were expecting it to break through or tag that top again. Okay, we broke through, tested that floor, broke through, and then went higher towards that top all-time high, and then we fallen from that top, went back to that floor again. Okay, and then we were expecting it to either hold that you know gap, all right, or tag that previous low and then bounce back for the upside again. So we bounced off from that gap. Price bounced off that from 74, 73 areas and then continued to keep rising for upside that 74 area. Okay, and then next move went higher. So at the current price, we are expecting it to give us a pullback again, very much similar like these previous two pullbacks happened over there. All right. So we can see that the price went lower from that top and then down. All right. Then the next correction, then we are expecting it to give us another correction before resume its trend. Okay, that's the previous chart. All right, that's the previous chart. What we were expecting silver to do. All right, so the analysis is very much simple. The update is very much simple. Okay, I will have a look at that. But look at this first. All right, so the recent CME silver margin hikes. All right, so a 10% hike mid December. Maintenance margin raised to 24,000. The previous one, the baseline was 22,000. All right, and then they raised from that 22,000 to 24,200. And then again on 29 December, margin raised to $25,000. Right, hopefully you can see those numbers. Let me make it a little bigger. And then again on December 31, 2025, margin raised to 32,500. And then again yesterday on 13th of January, change to percentage system silver margin 9% of notional, which is 38,250. Yeah, so the baseline was in mid December, right, 22,000, and now 38,200. So the higher the price will go on silver, this will keep going higher. The margin hike will keep going higher. This is actually a system to slow down the metals rise. Okay, they are. I mean, a CME is trying to save themselves from from busting simply. Okay, and this is the reason. Okay, we are having corrections over there. Okay, we saw that drop. Okay, you see that 29. There is the margin hike on 29 December here. All right, and we saw the drop. All right, and then we saw another correction. Okay, and then physical shortage play out again. We are having strong trend, and they raised the margin hike yesterday as well. So we haven't seen that effect yet on the metals yet, but highly likely we're going to see another correction. Okay, which I have just already shown over there on my previous chart. Okay, which will give you another buy opportunity again. So if I'm going to remove, we'll look at this chart, right? And the last update. Okay, this is what we are expecting. Okay, this is what we are expecting silver to do. How deep it goes, we don't know, right? We are just expecting it to fall back within the trend, right? And the trend is moving averages. All right, so the 4-hour moving averages are still, showing a big pullback. while at least price need to fall into the, yeah, obviously those who are already holding silver long, they don't want silver to pull back. They want just to continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, that's what they want. They don't want to see. But yeah, if you are looking to buy more silver, right, so the best thing is to let it pull back, and then you load up and look for it to go to 100. All right, so you can see over there that the trend is pretty strong, right, and keep pushing higher very aggressively. There we can see there. So on short term, on lower time frame, we are still trending. Okay, we are still trending pretty aggressively. Okay, but as I said, that be prepared for a deeper pullback, and deeper pullback is good, healthy for trend to sustain for further upside. Yeah, weak hand needs to get out, and strong hands to 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 get in again. So this is spot price, okay, but at very much similar price we are having on the silver futures. All right, but we are looking at a different chart now. Okay, this is the Shanghai, so calculated into dollar terms. All right, this is the Shanghai silver price calculated in dollar terms. All right, so we are very well higher on that. We are at let me open that chart next to it, this the silver next to it, the spot. All right, so almost same. We don't have a very much difference between spot and silver futures. Spot is higher, means that silver is in real shortage. Okay, so there we can see that. So spot is a bit higher than the CME futures. All right, so we're having almost 10 to $11 premium. All right, so you can see there that we are running at 101 here in Shanghai. So where the silver physical demand, where this we are having more demand in the silver. So we're running at 101 while we are running spot at 91, or in the silver futures 91 too. It means that we are having premium almost 9 plus $110 premium, okay, between the the Shanghai exchange on Shanghai futures, and between the the CME futures. All right, this is clearly telling us that there is a physical shortage in the China, and they are still buying aggressively silver, and prices just pushing higher. Right? There is another reason why we are having more higher price. I mean, silver is running above 100 in the China, because dollar is weak. All right, and dollar is very weak against the Chinese yuan, which is also a reason for, you see there, dollar is just keep falling here against the Chinese yuan, which is a reason for silver to just keep rising and run above that 100 in dollar terms. All right, so dollar is obviously losing its value, but the previous chart which I'm just showing here, okay, is telling us that very likely we're going to see that spot price also going to tag that $100 mark. All right, spot price, silver spot price will hit that $100 mark. All right, so CME is trying to slow down that rise, okay, which is good. If you are not in, you need that pull back to buy it again. And if you're already in that, all right, then you are looking it to continue. All right, and if you are trading on lower time frame, yeah, it's a still buy opportunity. All right, and you are looking it to continue to keep heading towards that $100 mark. All right, on lower time frame, short term trade, get in, get out. All right, as you know that the house is trying to slow down that rise. All right, they are trying to slow down that rise, and if you're buying on lower time frame and looking to hold it for longer term, you have to really understand that what can happen. All right, we can see pullback. All right, and yeah, that's what you look for if you are looking to buy silver again and looking to hold it for further upside. Okay, Pullback is expected like this. Okay. How deep it goes, we'll see, but pullback is expected. All right, and get ready for that, and then load up it to break above that 100. All right. So thank you, and we'll see you again.